how to play YouTube in background on iPhone. First, go back to your home screen and open up App Store. So here, open App Store, and then we're going to look for a browser app called Kokok, and then tap on search button. Here, tap on the download button to download the app. Next, tap on open, and here we tap on discover. So let's just wait for the setup to finish. Here, tap on start browsing, continued, allow, ask app to track, and then tap on YouTube. Here, put in what you want to watch and search. And let's play a sample clip. So tap on that one. Here the clip will play. So you can tap on this button here